Is your Spectrum modem stuck with only the power light on? This means it's failing to boot correctly. Don't worry, a quick fix is often possible. First, understand why this happens. It's usually due to software glitches, power surges, or outdated firmware. Start with the simplest solution, the soft reset. Unplug your modem from the power outlet for a full 60 seconds. This clears temporary memory. Then, plug it back in and wait for it to reboot. Watch the lights. A normal boot sequence involves multiple lights blinking, not just a solid power light. The Spectrum mobile app now includes AR-based visual diagnostics to help you spot any physical hardware faults. Also, ensure you are using a surge protector to prevent future power surge issues. This simple fix resolves the issue in most cases. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the back of your modem. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds while the device is powered on. This will erase custom Wi-Fi settings, requiring you to reconfigure them afterward. Ensure your modem firmware is up to date, as outdated versions are a major cause of boot problems. Access the web interface at 192.168.wonder.1 or use the Spectrum mobile app to check for and install any available updates. To prevent future issues, keep your modem in a well-ventilated area to avoid overheating. Always connect it through a surge protector to protect against power surges. Regularly monitor the LED indicators for any unusual patterns. If these steps don't resolve the problem, contact Spectrum support. They now use advanced remote diagnostics, which can often fix the issue remotely without needing a technician visit.